Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the components of BOP. As in previous video we talk about the meaning of BOP means balance of payment. So what is BOP? Balance of payment. It is a systematic record of all the economic transaction like export and import of a country with the rest of the world. Okay, not only export and import of goods and services, it also include all type of services. Okay, so जो भी किसी country की economic transaction होती है like economic transaction of India with the rest of the world, with the other countries, foreign countries, so the record of all these transactions is called BOP, balance of payment. So now we will talk about the components. Components means what things are included in components, means in BOP. Okay, so components mainly we have first current account. Okay, current account. Then second component is capital account, or we can say BOP is an account. It is an account because transactions are mentioned in this. So in this there are three type of account. First is current account, second is capital account, third is officially reserve account. Okay, so these accounts we will discuss step by step. So first we have current account. Okay, current account. So current account of BOP, current account of BOP deal with export and import of goods and services. Okay, goods and services. Current account of BOP deal with the export and import of goods and services. Okay, so there are also components of current account, means what type of things are mentioned in the current account. So here we have current account. Current account include export and import of visible goods. Export and import of visible goods. So what are the visible goods? Visible goods are those goods which can be seen while crossing the border. Okay, or we can say boundary of a country. Okay, so visible goods are those goods which can be seen while crossing the boundary of a country. For example, cell phone. Okay, cell phone, TV, machines. So these type of goods can be seen while crossing the boundary of a country. For example, if we are importing cell phone from China, then this can be seen as the goods came while crossing the boundary of a country. So we can see the cell phone, we can see the TV, machines. So these are called visible goods. Okay, means which can be seen, can be touched. So visible goods are those goods which can be seen, touched while crossing the boundary of a country. So it includes export and import of visible goods. Then we have export and import of invisible goods. Okay, invisible goods. So invisible goods we also mean services. Okay, services. So invisible goods also are called services, export and import of services. So export and import of invisible goods means services like, for example, insurance services. Okay, insurance service. So services are also further classified in two categories. The one is factor payment, we can say factor services. Okay, factor services, and the second is known factor services. Known factor services. are those services which are, we can say, payment. Okay, receiving of income also are called factor income, factor service, and we can say payment, like payment to the employees. Okay, payment or compensation to the employees, investment. So factor services will include, for example, compensation of employees, investment, so these are included in factor services. Okay, because services cannot be seen while crossing the boundary of a country. Like if a person is doing investment and the investor invest in the foreign countries, so that investment cannot be seen. And if there is FDI, means foreign direct investment in our country, so that is a service. Okay, we cannot see that. It means the service is coming to our country, if so that crossing the border, so we cannot touch that, see that. Okay, means there is no doubt benefit of that services in our country, but services are not included in visible goods, that are called invisible goods. Okay, and non-factor services we include all those services which are not included in factor services. Okay, means in factor services we include like compensation of employees, investment by the investor in foreign country, in other country, or in investment by foreigner in our domestic country. Then in non-factor services we include, for example, banking service. Okay, banking. So banking are included in non-factor services. Communication services, these are included in non-factor services. Okay, so these are non-factor services. So these are included in invisible goods, export and import of invisible goods. The third component we have transfer payments. Okay, means transfer payments is like, first we have discussed factor services, non-factor services, and the third is transfer payments. Okay, unilateral transfer. So unilateral transfer means one-sided payment. Okay, means there is no creation of liability and there is no creation of asset of the country. For example, if a country giving gift to the other country, donation, okay, so these gift donation are included in unilateral transfer because these are one-sided payment. Nothing service is provided in return of this payment. Okay, so we have discussed the components of current account. Okay, as BOP having three accounts: current account, capital account, and officially reserve. So capital account having three components: export and import of visible goods, export and import of services, and we can say in invisible or services we include factor services, non-factor services, and unilateral transfer payments. Okay, like one-sided payments. So this is about the current account. So we have discussed about the current account. So how the balance sheet is prepared of the current account, as the things which are on debit side, like there are two sides, debit and credit. Okay, so debit sides are shown by minus sign and credit sign by shown as plus sign. If you have noticed that if there is deposited of money in your account, so that is shown that the 10,000 has been deposited in your, has been credited in your account. Okay, जैसे बैंक में अगर आपका अकाउंट है तो उसमें लाइक आपके पैसे आ रहे हैं अकाउंट में, तो उसमें आपके पास मैसेज आएगा, उसमें ये लिखा होता है कि 10,000 रुपीज आपके अकाउंट में क्रेडिट हो चुके हैं. सो क्रेडिट आर शोन बाय द प्लस साइन एंड डेबिट आर शोन बाय द माइनस साइन इन द करंट अकाउंट. ओके, so this is about the current account. That is one account of BOP. Okay. So students, watch the video and also read this from your book. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.